Hi, I'm Jithu Joseph. At MOLTEN, we understand the critical role HVAC system play in maintaining comfort and energy efficiency. One of the most overlooked aspects by many companies is determining the capacity of the existing system. Without precise calculations, inefficiencies in performance and increased energy consumptions are inevitable. That's where we come in. At MOLTEN, we specialize in HVAC designing, heat load calculations, providing accurate results using cutting-edge tools and expertise. Our solution ensures your system operates at peak performance, reducing energy cost and enhancing overall efficiency. With MOLTEN, you are not just getting HVAC services, you are investing in precision, performance, and long-term energy savings. MOLTEN, excellence in every breath.